In this video, I'll show you how to restore a missing store logo on the homepage of Shopify Horizon theme. As you can see in this example, I'm currently on the homepage of my site, and the store logo, which should be visible at the top left corner of the page right over here, is missing. But if I open one of the collections, the logo will be displayed without any issues right here. So to fix this problem, first we'll log into Shopify admin account. Once you're in Shopify dashboard, on the left side of the screen, click on the online store. Look for Horizon theme, in my case it's version 3.5.1, and then select Edit Theme. Once the theme editor loads, at the top left corner of the page, click on Theme Settings, and then expand the logo section. Right in here, make sure to add the default logo. Once complete, at the very top, click on Sections, expand the header section, and then select Logo. Under Logo Visibility Settings, make sure to uncheck this option, Hide Logo on Homepage, and then save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to your website, ensure refreshing the homepage. And as you can see right here, the logo should now be visible on the homepage. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.